Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you an overview on how the main market index and crypto look like currently, purely based on chart analysis. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first. The Bitcoin on the 8 hours candlestick, you can see that the market hasn't created a new low, so there isn't any bottom potential showing up on this 8-hour candlestick. However, on the 12 hours candlestick, the market has already created the new low, and actually the bottom, we can see here, the bottom is created on January 1st. However, then it's followed by two red bars dropping. So I would say currently the bottom of Bitcoin 12 hours are still being confirmed, in the process of being confirmed. But as long as market didn't create new low, which is below 46,214, we can say that the bottom structure here is still effective. Okay, and then for on the 1-day chart, we can say it's the same as 8 hours because the market didn't create a new low, so we cannot say that the bottom, there's a potential for the bottom has already shown up. So anyways, for Bitcoin, since the 12 hours bottom is created already, I would say it's already a fairly good point to enter the market, to expect a potential rebound. Let's see. Then take a look at Ethereum. On the 8-hour chart, the bottom has been established on January 1st also, and currently it's continuing its rebound. So I would say for Ethereum, there's a good possibility that the correction has come to an end, and as well it could be a good entry point right now. The good news is 12 hours has shown exactly the same sign. The bottom structure has formed here. Okay, so I think for the crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, right now, it could be a very good bottom to enter, but let's see whether the market will keep drop. If the new low are created, then this bottom structure that has been formed will be ineffective once the new low is created. Okay, let's see. So then let's go to S&P 500. Let's go to 1 hour. So the 1 hour, on the 1 hour candlestick, the market hasn't created the new high since December 28. So that means currently we're not very clear. The market will keep dropping or will keep going up after this short period of correction or consolidation. And then once the market creates the new high, so on this 1 hour chart, it means higher than 4,798, then we need to pay attention because it might be a very big top structure could be formed. It's a high potential, but let's keep observing it. And then for 90 minutes, there's no new high created yet. For 2 hours, so in the 3-time chart, the situation is the same. The market hasn't created new high, So once it's created a new high, we need to pay attention because there is a high potential that the top structure will be formed. Then let's take a look at NASDAQ 100. So again, first let's look at 1 hour, exactly the same. No new high, so let's keep observing it. 90 minutes and 2 hours, same, exactly the same. So for NASDAQ, 1 hour, 90 minutes, and 2 hours, we just need to observe whether the market will create new high, and then there could be some risk, but then we will tell at the time when it comes. Now it's still a bit too early. And for 1 day, it's the same. The high here is 16,573. Yeah, the market hasn't created a new high yet. So let's see. And Dow Jones could be a different story because for Dow Jones, in a 1 hour candlestick, new high hasn't been created yet. And for 90 minutes, same, no new high. And for 2 hours, no new high. So again, it's the same as NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. We need to look at whether the new high will be created, and then we need to pay attention to a potential top structure. And then if we look at the 1 day chart of Dow Jones, it's a different story here because on the day chart, there's a new high created already. So, and in the MACD, the DJI hasn't reached the new high. So currently we can see we have 2 red bars, but the DIF still going up. So that means the top, there's a potential for top structure, but the top structure hasn't been officially established yet. So let's keep observing tomorrow and the next week how the market will go. ASHR, this is reflecting the Chinese index. So we can see actually from beginning of January 2021 to the end of 2021, it's like a horizon. It's just flat. So we must have a lot of patience if we're in this market already. However, the good news is before this flat consolidation, it was an uptrend. So I think we could have a high potential that this consolidation will end soon and the market will go back to its uptrend as a wave 3. From here, wave 1, and then 2021, a minor correction, and then major wave 3. There's something to expect there, I think. Okay. And then since I'm living in France, so I'm also looking at the CAC40, the French index. The French index on the 2 hour, so the top structure formed here, but however, with the market creates new high, the top structure disappeared. So currently we don't know where the market will go, so we will keep observing. And same for 1 hour. Okay, the top structure disappeared with the new high, but let's see next week how the market will go. Okay, that's it for today. And when the market has major turns, or I see some clear bottom structure or a potential for the bottom and top structure, I will keep making some videos. Thank you all. Bye.